Hello, welcome all. In a previous video, we have seen what is ECMAScript. It is standards which has to follow by our JavaScript. So every year, ECMAScript release some set of standards which we need to apply that in our coding. So those standards are related to make programming quite easy. ES6 has released in 2015 after a long time, and a lot of standards have been introduced in ES6. Let's see those one by one. So the first standard that they have given us is arrow function. So let's see what is arrow function, why do we need it. So now before that, let's understand what is this keyword in a JavaScript. So this keyword in a JavaScript always refers to the object from which it belongs to. In a JavaScript, everything is an object. Like functions are also object, arrays are also object, objects are also object. So now if I write this keyword inside a particular function, it will refer to that function. If I write this keyword inside array, it will refer to that array. So now let's take an example. If I declare one variable, this.a is equal to 2000. Now here, this keyword is referring to our global object. And if I try to console this variable a, I will get an output 2000, which is obvious. Now, if I try to update the same variable inside any function, let's declare one function, update value, and try to update value of this.a by 5000. Let's console this out and see what output we get. Here we got output again 2000. That means my function did not update my value. It happened because we know that functions are also objects. That's why when we write this.a inside the function, it is referring to that function scope, not a global scope. That's the reason why it is not referring the variable which is having value of 2000, creates its own local variable and updating that value. If we console value inside function, we'll see that changes. So now how to overcome this? Because in programming, we need sometimes that our function should refer our global values. So in that case, we need something that can refer our global values. So that's when the arrow function comes into picture. In our arrow function, we can make use of this, and it always refers to our global object. Let's see this by an example. If I write this.a inside arrow function, if I try to update value by 8000, and now if I print this, you can see that the value is updated. That means our arrow function is referring to our global object. So that is the main difference between arrow function and normal function. Let's summarize this. Our arrow function refers to global object, whereas in case of normal function always refer to its local object. That is the main difference between arrow function and normal function. I hope you understood this. We will try to implement this in the coming videos. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.